The Guardian. New York Post. Trump warns of fresh strikes if Iran talks fail, as it happened. How to watch 2026 Masters Round 3 for free, Times, livestream. Yesterday. Here are the latest global news updates as of today. Globe with Meridians 1. U.S.-Iran tensions and peace talks. High-level talks between the U.S. and Iran in Islamabad, Pakistan, have not reached a deal yet, despite long negotiations. The Guardian. The conflict remains tense, with warnings of possible renewed military strikes if diplomacy fails. The Guardian. A temporary ceasefire is still fragile, and more rounds of talks are expected soon. Khaleej Times. Backhand index pointing right. This is currently the most important global crisis, affecting oil, security, and global politics. Fuel pump 2. Global energy and economic impact. The ongoing Middle East conflict has triggered a major fuel and energy crisis worldwide. Wikipedia. Countries are facing rising fuel prices, inflation risks, supply shortages. Even international events are being postponed, like a major steel conference in India due to instability. Reuters. Bomb 3. Lebanon and regional violence. Despite ceasefire talks, airstrikes and violence continue in Lebanon, with heavy casualties reported. Wikipedia. The situation remains unstable with tensions between Israel, Hezbollah, Iran. Airplane 4. Military and regional movements. Pakistan has reportedly sent fighter jets to Saudi Arabia amid rising tensions. Al Jazeera. Gulf countries are reassessing their security strategies and alliances. Ballot box with ballot 5. Other global developments. Peru elections are underway during political instability. Al Jazeera. Fuel protests are happening in Ireland due to rising living costs. Wikipedia. Person golfing 6. Sports highlight. At the Masters 2026, golf. Rory McIlroy is leading with a record performance. Final round is happening today. New York Post. Bar chart quick summary. Fire Middle East crisis remains the top global issue. Fuel pump fuel prices and economy under pressure. Bomb ongoing violence in Lebanon. Globe showing Europe-Africa political and military tensions rising globally.